Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Volvo V60. So from any screen here, if you go to menu is over here. If you go to telephone, there's nothing on telephone. You'll see there nothing's connected. So if you go to menu, there, Barry's iPhone 12, the top is OK, the bottom red is exit. So on there, connect for phone or delete. So we just turn the rotary control to delete, click the top OK, then you have to just confirm the safety catch. So that's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Volvo V60. So first of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on like so, and then we're looking out at the bottom here. Over to the system, you've got radio, media and telephone there. So if we click on telephone, click telephone, no phone connected, and you've got OK to connect there. So click the OK button. Search for new phone, again, click OK. Searching for Bluetooth devices. Oops, I should be looking over here, sorry. Got distracted by that lady there. There we go. So turn the rotary control, Barry's iPhone 12, you'll see here, just watch the screen over here, click OK. Connect for phone, click connecting. There you go. Does the numeric passkey match? Yes, so we'll click pair there and OK there. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow, and there we go, my V60 connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio from your phone to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2014 Volvo V60. So the first thing you do, over to your music, click, well, you see there at the bottom, there's a tick next to my V60. So whatever plays through this, whatever audio plays through this mobile, so long as you've got the audio system set, it will come through the speakers in here. So there's a tick next to that. Over to the system, we click on media. On media, it's saying connect USB because it's not actually showing. The system's not set to Bluetooth. So if we click if we click media again and then wind down to Bluetooth, click OK, then that's playing this. Let me just turn it up quickly. Right, there you go. That's it playing. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2014 Volvo V60. From any screen, click on nav there. Up it comes. If we click nav again, that brings up the new menu and we want to set address. To set the address, you navigate to the one you want, click OK, and then there you go, country, Wigan, city, click on city, and then we need the postcode. So there you go, just move the rotary control till you get to postcode, click OK on the postcode, the green bit at the top, and then here we go, we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR. We need to go to numbers now, so it's already gone, it's already highlighted numbers. So if we click on numbers, then 5, 4, we need to go back to letters, so select that and click on it, and then JS, PR5 4JS, it's come up on the screen. We click OK again, set house number 175, yeah, we'll go with 175. Set single destination, click OK.
The route is being calculated. Make a U-turn if possible.
That's it, that's how you do that. Thanks for watching.